When shopping for clothes online, the guessing game of finding the perfect fit can cause frustration and confusion. But not anymore. Welcome to Size Guarantee, the right clothing size recommendation tool designed to make online shopping for clothes more trustworthy and admired by letting shoppers find their perfect size at ease. Get started with out-of-the-box Size Guarantee app with these simple steps.
Step 1. Go on Google and search Size Guarantee Shopify App. Step 2. Click on Login button. Step 3. Add your Shopify store URL to log in to your Shopify store. Step 4. Log in to the Shopify store using your email address and password. Then you will be redirected to the Shopify app installation screen. Step 5. Click on Add App button and select the linked email to log in to the store. Step 6. After you are logged into the store, then click on Install App button. Step 7. Set up the Know Your Size button. Step 8. The registration screen of installation of the Shopify app appears, where you need to fill in the required details and then click on Sign Up button. Step 9. Now you need to set up your size button. To customize the look, you can select your font and color of your choice. Once done, click on the Next button. Then comes the review and confirmation. The screen displays the store information, widget configuration, and whether the app was successfully installed or not. Step 10. Click on the Confirm and Apply button for store activation. Now, our Size Guarantee servers will analyze all your store products. After the product analysis, you will get a notification on your registered email, and then Know Your Size button will be ready to use in your store. Step 11. After activation of your store setup with Size Guarantee, the status of Size Guarantee servers analyzing your store catalog and Know Your Size button ready to use will be turned on. To complete the status, will change it to complete. Step 12. Enable the widget on your e-commerce store. Now you can see the widget has been added to your store. With the Know Your Size button, online shoppers can get the right product that best fits their requirements and expectations.
Empower your customer to shop with confidence every time. Try the Size Guarantee app now to reduce returns and boost sales of your store.